Good morning. I'm happy to share with you my daughter's balcony garden that I'm helping her to cultivate. We've planted quite a few herbs, and there are some tomatoes. We're going to get to that, but here we're looking at thyme, also known as thyme. The main ingredient in Listerine, known as thymus, is literally derived from thyme, also known as thyme. And thyme, known as thymus, is good for fungus. So you know that Listerine is good for anything that is maybe bacterial or fungal. If you didn't know, that's the reason why thyme is the main ingredient. There's alcohol as well. But anyway, we're going to move on to cilantro, which is a very delicious vegetable. Herb. There's a smaller version of it. Everything is grown from seed. Now that leaf, if you're wondering what those three leaves are right there, the bigger ones right next to the cilantro, that happens to be a branch from my flowers, my Mother Day's flowers. And it was doing so well in water, still perky looking since Mother's Day. And this is June 25th, I believe. Is it 24th or 25th? I decided to put it in dirt to see what it would do. This is an experiment. And right below it, we have rosemary, young rosemary, which is one of the most time-consuming, not so much time-consuming, but it takes longer for this one to reach germination. The seedlings just sit there longer than most herbs. But when it becomes an adult plant, as rosemary is pretty nice size, you need some space to grow rosemary. Right now, it's just sitting in a small pot. Oregano. Oregano is one of the most popular herbs on the planet, especially in Mediterranean foods. And it has a big range of medicinal properties. Just eat that and put that in your food every day. And I'll do a topic on a more expansive topic on medicinal properties, but I'll tell you this, that oregano is good for just about anything that ails you. And if you put it in your foods every day, it becomes a tonic in the system, which means that you're covered. More thyme, also known as thyme. Tomato. I'm going to flip the camera. Give you a bigger view of the garden. There's some thyme, more rosemary. I planted two of them together. And we have lavender, which is also another plant that's very, you really have to be on it and know something about how to cultivate it, because it takes a while to germinate. And you want to plant definitely more than 1, 2, 3. You want to plant 3 together, in fact, just to see if they're going to come up. Keep a close eye on them. They need a lot of attention and love. They love energy. They thrive on energy. All plants do, but it seems that some of them need more than others, especially the lavender and the rosemary, which look very similar. The only way you're going to know the difference are when they're grown-ups. And here's a bigger picture of expanded view of the rosemary versus lavender. But when they get to be really grown up, you know that, look at the leaves. The leaves look very similar. You're going to know the difference by the smell. There's not too much more to tell you for you to differentiate the difference between lavender and rosemary. Cayenne pepper, young cayenne pepper, more young cayenne pepper, tomato. All of these tomatoes that I'm showing you were planted at the same time. They were all planted at the same time. But they're not the same in size. If you this guy here has grown up to be quite a beauty. He's beautiful. I don't know if you can see it well, but here's another cayenne pepper.